Good morning, everyone. I'm Angeline. How many of you have worked in an organization where people still submit requests on paper forms and then those requests just seem to disappear? That's exactly what I experienced, and based on our research, it's happening at hundreds of organizations across the Philippines. I face this problem every day, directly and indirectly, so we built this solution. iTrack.
Let me describe what we've experienced when something breaks. When a ceiling leaks, a projector fails, or when an outlet simply stops working. The process? Walk to the maintenance office, get a paper form, fill it out by hand, get approval if necessary, submit it back to the office, then wait, with zero visibility into what happens next. Through our experiences and surveys, we've documented the impact. For maintenance staff, forms get misplaced. There's no way to prioritize urgent versus routine issues. As a requester, I've experienced this. If your building is far from the office, add another hour to the process. You have no proof you submitted anything. Sometimes, requests are completely forgotten. When we researched beyond our campus, we found this problem is everywhere. There are 2,406 higher education institutions in the Philippines as of 2025. But it's not just education. Most government offices, condominiums, and other organizations still manage facility requests the same way, with paper forms. We looked at existing solutions. Enterprise systems like ServiceNow cost about $100 and more per user per month. That's roughly 170,000 to 560,000 monthly for a mid-sized organization, or 2 to 6 million annually. iTrack is a web-based request tracking system built specifically for facility management. It's straightforward, web-based, works on any device, rule-based access for requesters, coordinators, and maintenance team, secure authentication, image uploads, real-time tracking, and audit trail. What this means in practice: user submits request in under 2 minutes, anytime, anywhere. They track status in real time and get notified at every step. Operations: the staff team gets zero lost requests. Everything's in the database. Processing is faster without manual handoffs. They can make data-driven decisions based on actual patterns. This works across industries. In education, students and staff submit 24/7. No more lost forms or forgotten repairs. In government, citizens track their complaints. Officers manage across departments with full accountability. In condominiums, residents submit from home. Administrators prioritize by urgency. Everyone gets transparency. And even in other organizations. Our execution strategy. Phase 1. For the next 7 months, deploy at our university with real users. Collect real metrics to prove it works. Phase 2. Months 8 to 18. Use that deployment as the reference case. Approach other institutions and organizations with proven data. Establish product market fit across sectors. Just in Philippine higher education, hundreds to thousands of institutions could benefit from this. Our pricing is designed to be affordable: 10,000 to 30,000 pesos monthly, depending on organization size. Compare that to 3 to 6 million annually for enterprise systems. If we capture just 2% of the education market, that's 4 to 8 institutions, and within 18 months, we're looking at 4 to 8 to 7.2 million in annual recurring revenue. Now add government offices, hotels, condominiums, and real estate properties. Each sector has the same problem, and our solution fits all of them. Here's what makes this a real opportunity: a large addressable market across multiple industries, a proven problem with measurable cost, a massive price gap between what's available and what organizations can afford, a scalable SaaS model, and clear acquisition paths through reference customers. Right now, at this moment, clerks at hundreds to thousands of organizations are digging through paper forms. Requesters are walking across buildings hoping their forms don't get lost. Managers are making resource decisions with zero data. This problem is real, it's measurable, and solvable. You all know what happens when you properly digitize a broken manual process: efficiency, better decisions, accountability, and satisfied customers.
That's what we're doing. For organizations that have been overlooked, iTrack, one platform for education, government, hospitality, and real estate. The opportunity is validated. The problem is urgent. The market is ready. Who's going to solve it first? We are, starting now.
Good day, everyone. I am Rosa Rojas, and I am here to discuss the scale of the problem we are solving. First, let's look at the big picture. Our total addressable market, or TAM, consists of 2,406 higher education institutions across the Philippines. Every single one of these campuses faces infrastructure challenges, representing a massive national opportunity. Next, we narrow our focus. Our serviceable available market, or SAM, is right here in Region 8. There are 48 institutions within our regional operational radius where we can provide direct on-site support without significant travel costs. But where do we start? Our serviceable obtainable market is the Visayas State University system. This is our beachhead. By securing the premier university in the region, we validate our system for the other 47 institutions. So, how do we capture this market? We have designed a three-phase growth strategy that starts small but scales fast. Phase one is our anchor, the VSU main campus. Our partnership begins directly with the University Maintenance Office, UMO, in Baybay. The scale of operations here is massive. The UMO coordinates six distinct units to maintain a total of 188 buildings, ranging from academic halls to administrative office. This includes their housing facilities, four accommodation establishments, and 12 student dormitories with a total capacity of roughly 1,750 beds. Managing this volume is a logistical nightmare, which is why we start here. Phase two is internal expansion. Once the main campus is running smoothly, we roll out to the four component colleges: Tolosa, Isabela, Alang-Alang, and Viliaba. This unifies the entire VSU system under one consistent process, finally eliminating their dependence on slow manual paper forms. Phase three is regional growth. We don't just stop at VSU. We will use the VSU system as our flagship case study. Using that credibility, we plan to expand to neighboring state universities and colleges in the region that face these exact same infrastructure challenges. We start local, we prove the value, and then we expand.
In terms of our business model, the project is built for growth. We'll introduce the client to our free trial tour because we believe that great product should be experienced, create value long before it creates expense. In our free trial, we offer a complete free 60 days campus tour where target user can utilize the iTrack across the campus at zero cost. For a sustainable revenue stream, our subscription model offers the full complete feature for a certain price. A monthly or annual subscription service will provide the core form submission, tracking functionality, and other features. Client may pay a predictable recurring fee based on their usage. And add-ons customization, a one-time development service to tailor iTrack specifically to a client's unique workflows, integrations, and branding requirements. Each add-ons can be tailored and specialized for an extra functionality, capabilities, and experience.
So, why are we the right team to execute this project? Our strength is our versatility. Every member of this team shares a technical background. We have all handled planning, designing, and coding in our previous coursework and projects. We all speak the same technical language. Dakutanan is our project manager. She leads our strategy and ensures that what we plan is actually what we deliver. Because she understands the software development life cycles, she keeps our timeline realistic and ensures our milestones align perfectly with VSU's academic calendar. Balahadya is our lead developer. He focuses on the system architecture and takes the lead on translating our requirements into functioning code, ensuring the backend is stable, secure, and built to the industry standards we have mastered. And yours truly has a unique dual role. I am both the lead tester and UI UX designer. I design the interface and then I break it. As the designer, I ensure the system is intuitive for non-technical staff. And as the QA tester, I rigorously validate every feature to ensure there are no bugs before deployment. We are a cohesive unit with the shared skills to carry this project from concept to deployment.
We at iTrack believe that fixes don't have to be mystery. Imagine this time, this sem, a student discover a broken fixture, submit a request in 60 seconds, and receive an update like an OTP. Your maintenance office team works from a clear dashboard, not paper trails and piles. The university has a clear, real-time data on campus conditions. What we're proposing today is more than just a software. It's a commitment to a better campus care through technology, where the path forward is clear and rest-free. Join us in leaving a legacy of efficiency and care. We're excited about the possibility of partnering with you. Connect with us through our official channel and visit us at Visayas State University. At iTrack, fixes don't have to be a mystery. Thank you and mabuhay.